Welcome back to MTD Global, my friends. Today I am in Illinois at Hymer, and I get to talk with my friend Robert. We're going to learn a little bit more about this machine and what it can do for you. So Robert, thank you for being a part of MTD Global.
Absolutely, glad to be here.
I appreciate it. And so we are looking at a combination machine here, right? We're touching off, we're doing some shrink fit stuff. How does this machine work?
So in my opinion, this is the best machine that Hymer has to offer in their presetter line. This machine combines presetting, which is extremely important in keeping your times down and keeping your accuracy up. Then you've got your shrink fits. Instead of having two separate machines, we put it all into one small footprint and easy software to use.
So shrink fit is important. We've been talking about that a lot at Hymer. That's kind of your thing when it comes to, a lot of your products. Now, I've also learned that this machine specifically is quite good at those dual and quad type CNC machines because we're trying to create an accuracy on multiple spindles. Is that how this works?
Correct, yes. So when you shrink fit, as opposed to using a screw or any other process that might reduce run out, and that's pretty much the main goal that we're looking for here, is reducing run out and creating accuracy.
And typically a shrink fit is done separate from touching off, or some sort of measuring device. It's typically, well, I got to do something on one side, then I got to pick up that tool and I got to go somewhere else and measure that tool, right?
Correct.
And this is a combination of that?
Correct. So you don't have to leave this machine. You can go ahead and set your system to do everything that you needed to do and not move from this spot. You can shrink fit, you can preset, you can put it on your network with a post processor, or you can print off a tag and take it straight to your machine and you are good to go.
And on this machine, when you do that, what is the accuracy?
So the measuring tolerance is about plus or minus 5 microns.
5 micron is pretty daggone high tolerance.
Yes, I've actually gotten it to 2 before.
Have you?
Yes, I have done 2 before.
You are the technical guy behind this machine,
yes.
right? So you've played those games.
Yes.
On average, we tell the world, right? We tell them, plus or minus 5 micron, right? But you've gotten it even tighter tolerance, which I imagine, as I understand this machine to be really significant in aerospace and automotive. In some of those places, that tolerance is extremely important.
Extremely important. And I think we are leading the industry average in terms of our consistent tolerance of plus or minus 5. Although, if we push it, we can get a little bit better.
As you've seen.
Correct.
And I know that this day and age, a lot of people are fighting for real estate. I mean, real estate can be expensive in a lot of cities. How does the size of this machine compare to some of the other machines out there?
Well, some of the other machines that I've seen, for one, it's a compound machine as opposed to having a whole line of separate different machines. But some of them take up a pretty good footprint. And, in the shop of trying to make money per square foot, you don't want to waste any square footage with a machine.
You're exactly right about that. I don't want to waste any money ever.
Right.
Talking about all the Hymer products, we're constantly trying to take away user error or operator error. We're trying to take away that or add that 10% of tool life on rigidity and the balancing of the tool. All the Hymer products are really adding to that profitability for the customer, and that includes this machine where we're combining applications like that, right?
Correct, yes. And that all comes from our Microvision software, which is extremely user-friendly to use and to operate. Anybody can learn it, and it keeps repeatability all the way through all of your shifts of your shop.
And so what I understand about this machine is it's a great combination for those machines out there, those CNC machines out there that are dual and quad machines where you have 2, 3, 4 spindles that you need to line up all in a row.
Correct, yeah. So with our machines, we can make sure that your tool in your tool holder is within plus or minus 5 microns so that every single solitary time your machine is set up quickly and accurately.
And that's important because the main responsibility of these machines is to be running, right? And the more downtime we have, the more money we're going to lose.
Correct. So our machines save a lot of time in terms of reducing downtime and making sure that we're making chips.
So let's talk a little bit more about this software. You said it's user-friendly. Do you offer training for it? And if you do, how quickly do you feel like the average user can learn it?
Absolutely. I've gone out on trainings. Every machine that we install, we do offer an optional training. So I will fly down to wherever you are, set the machine up, and then get a group of folks together. We'll run through all the the ins and outs of microvision in the machine, and usually after a little bit of playing around with it, people usually within about 5 hours are good to go.
5 hours?
About 5 hours, yeah.
Stop playing with me.
No, absolutely.
5 hours?
5 hours.
That is user-friendly. You know, I used to think that learning something, I talk a lot in automation and robotics and these softwares on CNC machines. The MTD Global fan base hears about this type of stuff a lot. We're user-friendly, and I usually think 2 to 3 days is user-friendly. When you say 5 hours.
5 hours, yes.
And how readily available are these machines? If I called you up today, would you be able to get me one tomorrow? Are we talking a week? Are we talking a year? What are we looking at?
So we will build and ship within 8 weeks. We stock the majority of our machines, but we do have a lot of options on our machines. And sometimes when you order those options, we build it for you as opposed to having it in stock for it. So about 8 weeks, build and ship.
And if someone wanted to find out more about this product specifically, what is your website and how would they find you?
You would find us at Haimer.com. There you'll see all of our machines, all of our shrink fits, everything that you are looking for. And on top of that, you'll find our Applications 360, which will give you specific videos on our specific machines so you can find out more about that.
Beautiful. Well, Robert, I appreciate you being a part of MTD Global and sharing your knowledge and wisdom with us.
Absolutely. Thank you.